Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jerly Carisma Baliera. I'm 37 years old. I'm married. I have 4 kids. I'm second year college undergraduate in Bachelor of Business Management. I have 4 years experience as a housemaid in my province, and now I'm here in Manila to work as all-around housemaid. I'll do cooking, car washing, laundering, ironing, taking care the kids to bring at school, and picking up. Ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I'll finish my contract and a happy person to serve your family as a helper. I'll take care of your kids as my own kids. Thank you so much and a pleasant day. God bless.